right, so today I'm going to be going over a step-by-step process on how to use Excel to add up data points or numbers in your Excel document so that you can use your Excel document to do math for you. So I have a vertical row, a column of numbers here. I also have a horizontal one. What we're going to start off with is whichever cell you're going to pick is the cell that you want to be populated with the aggregate sum of all the data points that you're going to try to add together. We're going to go ahead and select that. So for me, it's A14. I'm going to go ahead and hit equals, and then I'm going to type the word sum, and then I'm going to do a parenthesis, open parenthesis, and I'm going to select all the different numbers that I want to add together. Then I'll go ahead and close the parenthesis and hit enter. That's going to give us all of the numbers added together. All right. When we click on that, we're going to be able to see the formula up here in the formula bar. You'll see it says A3 through A12. Let's say I didn't want to include A12, I only wanted to go to A11. We can delete the 2, we can change it to 1, and you'll see the hashed lines when I was selecting it, those have turned solid now. So that's going to be the data that you're using. You can go ahead and hit enter, and that's going to change the numbers for you. Now, let's say if we click back on it, we'll see the formula again. Let's say we want to add some more cells to it. So we're going to go ahead and hit a comma, and then that allows you a break, and you'll be able to add more cells to the numbers that you're trying to add together. Once again, we get a range. That colon is what gives you the range. If you want to break it up and not include a range, so I'm going to hit enter, that's going to add all those together. But then I'm going to go back to the formula bar and I'm going to be like, okay, I really didn't want to add the entire horizontal row. I only wanted to add C3 and L3. So I'm actually going to hit comma. And what you're going to notice is all of these are different colors. So if I wanted to go in and I wanted to say, okay, I want to add another one, that's going to be another color as well. All right, so there's indefinite ways that you can do this, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to delete these, and we're just going to go colon, and we're going to go through L3. So once again, we can reconstruct to make sure that this all works, and we can have that right there as well. Okay, so now the other thing is, if we wanted to add up all of these numbers in the horizontal row of numbers that we have, we go equals sum, and then we go ahead and select all these numbers. We'll get our final number. These cells are still going to act like they're numbers. So if I wanted to come here and say, okay, I want to add these totals up together, I'm going to equal sum, and then I'm going to go, okay, I want to add that one, I want to add that one. Now notice it jumped, right? Because if we are going to click around like that, we actually have to put the comma and then click. Otherwise, you start to run into trouble. So always make sure that you use that comma to separate and then hit enter, and we get the addition. All right. This is a super powerful tool. It's something that you can pick and choose different line items from a table. You can add rows together. You can add columns together. I highly recommend that you use this in your practice, whatever you're doing with Excel. I hope this was helpful. If you have anything that you would like me to address, any questions or other how-to videos that you would like me to do, please leave a comment and I'll see which ones I can implement. All right, have a good day.